In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a web page in Gamma app step by step, even if you've never used it before. Gamma makes it really easy to build a clean, modern web page without needing to code, and in just a few minutes, you can go from a simple idea to a fully generated page that you can edit, publish, or share. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the homepage loads, sign into your Gamma account. If you already have an account, just log in normally. If you don't, you can quickly create one and then continue. After you reach the dashboard, look for the Create New button. This is the starting point for making a new project in Gamma. When you click Create New, Gamma will show you different content types. From these options, choose web page or website. This tells Gamma that you want to build a web page instead of a presentation or document. Selecting the right format at the start helps Gamma generate the right layout, structure, and design elements for your project. Next, Gamma will ask you what your web page should be about. This is where you describe your idea in a simple sentence or prompt. For example, you could type something like, create a web page for an online study planner, or create a landing page for a fitness coaching service. The more clear your topic is, the better the result will be. You do not need to write a perfect prompt, just be specific enough so Gamma understands the purpose of the page. After entering your topic, click Generate or continue to the next step, depending on the screen you see. Gamma will begin building the basic structure of your web page. At this stage, it usually creates an outline with sections such as a headline, intro, feature blocks, call to action, or other relevant content based on your topic. Now take a moment to review the web page outline Gamma creates. This is important because it gives you a chance to see how the page is organized before the full design is generated. If anything looks off, you can adjust your prompt or make small changes before moving forward. Once you're happy with the direction, continue. If Gamma asks you to choose a theme or design style, pick the one that best matches your brand or the purpose of your web page. You may see different visual styles, color palettes, or layout options. Choose something clean and professional if you want a business page, or something bold and creative if you're making a personal or promotional page. The theme you choose will shape the overall look and feel of the final web page. Once you've selected your preferred style, click Generate again to create the web page. Gamma will now produce the finished version of your page with text, section layouts, and visual formatting. This is where you'll see the idea come to life in a polished, ready-to-edit format. After the web page is generated, go through each section carefully. You can edit the text to better match your message, replace images if needed, update buttons, and adjust the section order. This is one of the best parts of Gamma because you can customize everything without starting from scratch. If the wording feels too generic, rewrite it to sound more like your brand. If an image doesn't fit, swap it out. If a button needs a better call to action, change that too. You can also refine the page by adding or removing sections until it feels complete. The goal is to make the web page clear, useful, and visually appealing. Gamma gives you a strong starting point, but the final polish is what makes the page truly yours. Once your edits are done, your Gamma web page will be ready to publish or share. Depending on your workflow, you may choose to keep it private, share a link, or use it as a live web page for your audience. And that's how you create a web page in Gamma app from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.